Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I just want to hopefully help some other newbies out just like me. I'm not the best at Blender by any means, but I just figured something out that I've been trying to look up for a good minute. So I feel like everyone comes across things and then they just get stuck on another thing, and I'm stuck on another thing. So what I was trying to figure out is this. Let me show you guys. So I've got this shape, and say I want to join this together, right? It's been a while since I've been on, so I'm not moving properly, but let's just group this badly. We're gonna group this badly, okay? And then we're gonna join it, right? So now it's joined to the platform and this. We don't want to join to the platform, but it's okay. And if we set the origin to that, right? We're gonna set origin to this 3D thing, so it should all be there. But guess what just happened? All the things just got changed. So the design that I have before is gone. So what I wanted to do was figure out how to do the benefit of joining it together, but leaving the same design I had before. So this is what I want to show you guys. So instead of doing it badly like that, joining together and failing miserably, what you're gonna want to do is, once you have the thing selected, you could do this with all of them, I believe. I haven't tested it, but I was freaking out, and as soon as I saw it, I wanted to show you guys. So alright, so let me get a blank. Alright, so let's click this, let's click another one. So you see this? Let's just go to where it would be normally. I think it would be, shoot, okay, this is I think what you'd see normally. So you press the object, you see all the locations and stuff. We don't want that. We want to go on down, or this. You might, no, that's not normal. So then you want to go on over to the modifications, right? Modifiers, this is what you did to modify the object. So you go on over here, and then you read these things. You're like, alright, but what I came across is this. So once you have everything set, and you think this is what you want for your whole shape and object, you go over here and you press apply. And what that's going to do is whatever modifier you added, it's just going to stamp it on the image, like stamp it. And this is now, this doesn't even apply to anything. So it's, if you see everything else has a modifier. This doesn't have a modifier because it's actually, it actually did it. It just, boom, and it brought it over. And now you could, if you want to set this as origin, guess what? You set it as origin, the origin's right there. And if I want to move it, I can move it. It's not going to change the axis like it would before. See, look, what would happen if I did it before? Let's set origin to 3D cursor. Wait, sorry. Now we're good. All right. So let's set origin 3D cursor. Look at that. That is awful. If you're trying to do this, and that's what is happening, you're gonna be discouraged. I didn't come back for this for like a week. So yeah, hope this helps. And yeah, I know other people might know this. I didn't know how to look this thing up properly, so I could have found it, but I was looking it up and I couldn't find anything. So I'll make this little short for you guys, or a video, because it's like 4 minutes in of me yapping. So yeah, it's been nostalgic, and I hope my Blender lesson for me and you helps. Learning with nostalgic on Blender. This is my second one coming. Alright, pieces. Nostalgic out.